Custom alerts are a feature that allows you to create your own alerts based on various criteria, such as brand, category, product title, and more. You can use custom alerts to monitor products and get notified when they meet your conditions. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload and download custom alerts from the app, so you can easily back up or restore your alerts. Let's get started. First, you need to open the AZInsight app on your browser. AZInsight is a powerful product research tool that helps you analyze and visualize valuable data on Amazon products. You can get the app from the Chrome Web Store. Once you have the app installed, you can access it by opening a product listing on Amazon. To access the Custom Alerts settings, you need to click on the gear icon on the top right corner of the AZInsight box. You can click on the My Custom Alerts item. Here, you will see a table with all your existing alerts, as well as a toolbar with various buttons. To download all your custom alerts, you need to click on the Download Alerts button on the toolbar. This will download the file to your computer. You can use any CSV editor to open and edit the file. After you have edited the file and saved the changes, you can upload it back to the app. To do this, you need to go back to the Custom Alerts page on the AZInsight settings and click on the Upload File button on the toolbar. This will open a file browser where you can select the CSV file that you have edited. Then, click Open. This will upload the file to the app and update your alerts. That's it. You have successfully uploaded and downloaded custom alerts from the AZInsight app.